Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into TrustWallet on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into TrustWallet on your iPhone, first, make sure you've downloaded the TrustWallet application on your iPhone. Once you have it, tap it open. Now, this is the first interface of TrustWallet. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create a new wallet and follow the instructions. If you'd like to log into your existing wallet, tap on I already have a wallet link at the bottom. Now, tap on the multi-coin wallet at the top of the screen. Right where it says recovery phrases, type in your recovery phrases that you backed up while signing up for the account. Once you're done typing in your recovery phrases, tap on the import button at the bottom of the screen, wait for a few seconds and your wallet will be imported successfully. Tap OK, enable push notifications to stay up to date for incoming and outgoing transactions, and there you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet on iPhone. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.